What if there was a way you could help reduce energy usage and stay comfortable without even having to get out of bed? Meet Amazon Smart Thermostat, one small device that helps make a big difference. It's ENERGY STAR certified, which means it can help lower your energy usage all year. And with rebates from participating utilities, the device can cost eligible customers as little as $5. Amazon Smart Thermostat is simple to use, and there's a guided setup process in the Alexa app to get you started. Alexa can automatically adapt to your schedule and adjust the temperature as needed. You can also set a schedule so Alexa knows what time to adjust the temperature. Or control the temperature remotely with the Alexa app from anywhere. You can even set the temperature with your voice if you have an Echo device. Amazon Smart Thermostat, an easy way to save energy and stay comfortable with Alexa.